Hello everyone, welcome to ENC 1102. This is the Summer B session. A couple of things about the summer session. I have to warn you, it does fly by very quickly. We try to cram in a full semester's worth of ENC 1102 concepts and learning and writing projects within 6 weeks, which I will say is a very big challenge, but I've tried to streamline this course and the schedule so that it will work smoothly for you. And to introduce myself, hello, I'm Dr. Daryl Elmore. I've been at FIU for nearly 10 years teaching here, and I enjoy it quite a bit. And I will be helping you get through your writing projects and collaborative work with each other on discussions and team projects this 6 weeks term. So whether this is your first online course at the college level or if you've taken online courses before, either way, I've tried to set up the course design with the help of the course designer. Thank you to her. In order to make this class easy to navigate, easy to understand what's due when, and easy to follow the assignment prompts. Also, I do have more office hours online than ever before during an online course, and I'm available by Skype, I'm available by Gmail chat or Hangouts, and you can also message me on Blackboard. So there's lots of ways to interact with your instructor, and you will also be asked to interact with your classmates this semester. In order to get started, please look over your course syllabus. All the information you need is there on the grading and the assignments and the type of work you're expected to do this semester, and also some tips and encouragement and some thoughts about the writing process. Also, there are resources there such as the Center for Excellence in Writing, and there are links to the Counseling Center and whatever might be useful to you this semester. Those links are in the syllabus as well as in the course website itself here. So basically this semester you're going to be working in two areas. You're going to be working with the assignment Dropbox, which is where you will be submitting most of your longer major writing projects. And then you will also be working in the discussion board. The discussion board is a place where you will be peer reviewing one another, where you will be answering questions, and where you will be responding to readings and videos that get us thinking about the writing process. So an overview of the course would be this. You have 3 major writing projects, and then the 4th item you'll be graded on is your discussion forums. So those 4 things make up your entire course grade. A quick overview of the 6 weeks then. So for week 1, what you guys will be doing is your major assignment will be to create a blog. You can read about that assignment prompt in the course content. Also, you will have every week 3 discussion forum questions to answer, and that is true also of week 1. And the point of week 1 is to give you practice talking about rhetorical vocabulary and to get to know one another and share blogs so we can become a writing community and all get on a first name basis and get to know each other. And I'll be sharing my blog with you too. It'll be a fun experience getting to know all of you guys. Then weeks 2 and week 3, those 2 weeks together, will be working on your second major writing project, your informative project. That is a team project, and you will have 1 week to draft it and 1 week to present it. And then weeks 4 and 5 go together. You will be researching and putting together your researched argument, and that's in week 4. And then in week 5, you will be presenting and uploading your argument and having it peer reviewed. And finally, week 6 will be for revisions and turning in any missing or late work and catching up with all of those. I would like to say that when we have the discussions each week, we have 3 discussions each week, and the middle of the 3 discussions, I like to have a student volunteer to write the question for that. That way it gives students some of the control of the classroom and which texts we look at as examples and which concepts you want to learn, maybe that relate to your field or your hobbies. We can make it a little bit more student-centered. So each week we will have a student volunteer, or we can have up to 2 volunteers to help write the question. And I'll give you some tips on how to write a good discussion prompt question. So for this week, if anyone wants to volunteer for discussion 2, please let me know, send me a message. Basically, I thought what we could do, since we will be reviewing the terms ethos, pathos, logos, if we could have a student who could find a video of some kind, whether it's a TED Talk or a funny YouTube video Find one that's either really well done or really poorly done, and use that as an example. Post the link and create your own discussion thread, and you can ask us a few questions about ethos, pathos, logos, angle of vision, whether it's an effective argument or not, and we can all respond to that on discussion board. So if anyone is willing to do that this week, please send me a message and we'll have you do that. So I look forward to meeting everyone this semester and getting to know you all. There's a lot involved in this course and it goes by quickly, but I think it's manageable, and I think you guys will have a good semester getting to know one another and myself, and I get to know you and your writing. Have a good semester.